Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Team Elite Thinkers and our group members are Nurul Nadira, Nur Syamimi Afifi, Anis Nur Atira, Siti Nur Afika, Nur Damia Khalida, Afifah Raihana, Christina Aida and Nur Fatin Farhana. Okay, this is our company logo and our company's name is Elite Thinkers and as known learning service. Next, apps logo. I will explain about the design of our apps logo. Firstly, the bulb and the brand represent the idea of the thinkers. Second, the word e-thinkers is the main word our application which is stand for company's name Elite Thinkers. And then why we choose that color? Okay, for the orange color, is the combination of yellow and red color and represent the bright and cheerful application. And for the red color, represent the courage in facing the challenges in the study. And lastly, for the green color, represent balance, harmony and calmness in learning. And then that's why the name of our service e-thinkers.
Next, our vision and mission. Our vision is creating a learning application as a medium that facilitates students to access unlimited learning materials. And our mission is developing a quality and intellectual virtual learning application system. Who is it for? University will buy this application for learning and lesson for lecturer and student.
Next, our solution. I will relate the problems that always arise among students. The first problem is students are always feel bored and lazy to study. So, our first solution is we provide an application that contains quiz or game slots for each subject. In these slots, the questions are created and handled by the lecturer, and also the marks are recorded as a student bonus marks. So, the purpose is to attract students to love study, review lessons, and answer questions in more interesting learning situation. The second problem is students do not focus and understand the lessons that delivered in class formally from lecturer for 2 hours. So, our second solution is we provide an application that contains video sharing slots with writing notes. In these slots, students can watch short videos for each subject. The duration of video is 3 until 5 minutes only. Next, the types of video is topic lessons from lecturer, student sharing, and teaching from YouTube. Lastly, the video presented in an interesting form such as writing notes, which is colorful and simple but meaningful and easy to understand.
Other than that, problem that usually happen to the student is student difficult to get the example of exam question from previous year. So our solution for this problem is we will provide question bank slot for the lecturer. It is to store a collection of exam questions in the form of game and quiz. Lastly, the solution which we can help for the problem of lecturer difficult to monitor or identify performance of students' understanding of the subject being taught is we will provide a ranking system for game or quiz. It is to record student achievement or level of understanding for the subject. The purpose is also to achieve a learning objective, which ensure that all students understand the subject taught by the lecturer.
Why do people need it? They can use this application in learning and lessons to attract the student in learning a subject. Second, they can find out the level of understanding of students in subject with the quiz provided.
For the next step, our company Elite Thinkers will further develop our application which is e-thinkers with various other facilities in learning from time to time by using the latest method to help university students throughout Malaysia. And we also plan to create another e-thinkers version to secondary and primary school students to help in their learning with effectively, more easily and more fun by using our application in their studies.
Alright, now let me share a few pages of prototype in our application. This will be show the efficiency and effectiveness of our application. Our application is eThinkers. This is the first page of our application. There are two buttons, which is lecturer and student. It is because there are a little bit difference between the view as a lecturer and a view as a student. A view as a lecturer, it will be show courses and divided by the classes that they teach. But the view as a student, it will be show the courses that they took in that semester. For now, I will be show the view for a student. After click the student button, you need to log in the application using a user ID and password. Then it will be like this. This is the home page of our application. You can see various subjects that you took in that semester. If you click the three lines in the top left in this home page, it will be like this. There are your profile, which is your picture, your name and metric numbers. And also, they have 4 elements, which is courses, quizzes, video and question banks. Then, if you click the profile button on top of the right in home page, it will be shown like this. It is edit profile. You can edit your profile, which is your picture, your icon, your password and others. Then, mark recorded and ranking system is based on your courses that you took. It will be show your mark and ranking in your classes. It also have a logout button, which is you can log out this application after you use it. The bell button beside the profile button is the notification for a student to be alert with the updated from their lecturer, either the updated from a quizzes, updated from the video and others.
The next pages is quizzes for each subject. These questions are created and handled by their lecturer. For example of subject creative thinking and problem solving, there are topics for the subject, and for each topic there are quizzes. The star shows the individual score, and it is recorded as student bonus mark. Next, in our application, there is a space for short video, which is the duration of the video just 3 to 5 minutes. This video is for each subject according to the topic. This video aims to make students more understanding about their topic and subjects other than dealing with their lecturer in the class. The next pages is for the question bank. As we know, for each subject there is a final exam, and this page will be used by the lecturer to include the exam questions according to the subject. Then, our pages also have mark recorded. This page will list each subject taken by the students according to their course. It is to show the students' ranking for each subject. Lastly, the last pages shows the ranking system according to each subject. For example, if students want to open page of ranking system, they will see their marks in bold color, and they also can scroll down to see their friends' mark.